sharing a project for November Inspiration Challenge that I am hosting. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Coloring with Iram. Today I will be using the Hibiscus Garden 3D die set. I was inspired by the pattern of my pajamas and also the colors. I already went ahead and die cut all the pieces I need. The reason I am using this particular die set is because the tropical leaves match perfectly with the pattern on the fabric. I will be watercoloring these die cuts. The die cuts are cut out of the 9x12 watercolor cardstock. I usually use this when I am using the layering dies. I lost a little bit of footage where I colored the red flower, but it's no biggie. I only used red Cosmos pigment in different concentrations on each layer of the flower. I actually kept looking at the fabric of my pages to match the colors. So for this blue leaf, I will mix the Persian blue pigment from the watercolor brush marker with the blues in the Artists Watercolor Pan set. I would also suggest you color a panel and then die cut the pieces out because the leaves are quite dainty, especially the top layer of this blue one. For the second set of leaves, I'll use the seashore pigment. Again, this is quite dainty. This would have worked much better had I colored a panel and then die cut these out of it. I'm going to use my mixed media ruby red ink and go over it like this, swiping the ink pad. Because I used the 9x12 watercolor cardstock, it's a bit textured and the texture will become more visible after I do this, the swiping of the ink pad that is. Next, I'll take Grapevine mixed media ink and do the same thing, but this time I'll stick to the edges only. Then I'll take Coralberry mixed media ink and repeat the same edge inking on the second layer of the flower. This will not be very visible on the video, but it is in person. I'll adhere all the pieces together for the flower. Have you ordered your Altenew glue pen? I don't have mine yet, but I can't wait to try it. I've heard great things about it and I'm sure you'll love it as well. I have my card front ready. I'm using the navy cardstock because the base of my PJs is also blue. I'll add some metallic paint splatters to the background, and I think I added a little too many. After the panel was dry, I adhered everything to the card front with foam tape. Then I adhered the sentiment. And my card is done. I hope you will play along the challenge. It has been a while since I've hosted one, so I'd love it if you could play along. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye bye.
Hello there. Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.